We're all set to go. So here we have the Sky GPS app. We have 12 satellites. Okay, start. Yes, that's it. Okay, let's put it here and let's go. Okay, we're all by ourselves. Oh, yeah, bummer. I forgot to turn on the lights. But no, it's I can see the car clear. So fingers crossed. Let's go. Ooh, this was a really good run. Oh yeah, let's take it back. Wow. Okay, I'm first gonna cool it because I don't know how hot the motor is, so this was a really good run. I actually have no idea how fast it was, but oh, fuck, yeah, oh sorry. Okay, very curious. Stop. Read. Um, 249. Okay. I actually again thought to go a bit faster, but yeah, let's check the logs and maybe pull another run. So let's go. So I'm sitting down in my little speedrun office all by myself. $248. $247. Yeah, we're done for today. So I got a PB of 249, which should be around 156, 157 miles an hour. We hope to get some more good days this year, and yeah, we're done. Okay, bye bye.